let me have the privilege of introducing Dr. Subhranshu Sekhar Patnaik. Dr. Patnaik has completed his MBBS and post-graduation in dermatology from SCB Medical College and Hospital, Cuttack, Odisha. Dr. Patnaik is spearheading the skin and hair treatment team at Arogyam and has more than 10 years of experience in this field. Dr. Patnaik is one of the leading dermatologists in the state and is well known nationally as well as for his academic and administrative contributions. He has held the post of Secretary of Odisha branch of Indian Association of Dermatologists, Venereologists and Leprologists, IADVL, and has been a faculty to many state and national conferences. He has successfully treated more than 50,000 patients with different dermatological problems. He strongly recommends a holistic and empathetic approach for patients of all types of skin. Dr. Patnaik carries only one focus: the better treatment of the patient.